Okay guys, so that was I'm on the Battlefield. We're in the key of E flat. So here's the major scale in the number system for E flat major. E flat is gonna be the 1, F, 2, G is gonna be 3, A flat is gonna be 4, B flat is gonna be 5, C are 6, D 7, and back to the 1, E flat. Okay guys, so we broke this down into 4 different parts with an intro. So here's the intro, and it sounds like this. All right, let me play that one more time. Right? So it starts off with the lick, right? And the notes are F, G flat, G, B flat, C, E flat. Right? All right. First chord we're going to play is going to be in your left hand. This is actually over the 3. And that's going to be G, E flat, in my right hand, D flat, E flat, G, C, right? You may have noticed in this chord, I moved from the G flat to the G, right? Got it? Second chord is over the 4. It's gonna be A flat and F in my left hand, and in my right hand, E flat, A flat, C, E flat. So, right? Third chord is going to be the flat 5, and in my left hand I have A, G flat, and in my right hand I have E flat, G flat, A, C, E flat. Now this chord is over the 5. And in my left hand I have B flat and G. Right hand I have D flat, E flat, G, C, and E flat. So all together it sounds like this. right? The last chord. All right, so this chord is over the 5. And in my left hand, I have D, A flat. In my right hand, I have D, G flat, B flat, D flat. All right, so here's the intro. Right, play it one more time. All right, so that was the intro. Let's look at part A. All right, so basically, I'm just playing this. And the bass man is doing something like this. Right? Okay. So the first chord, I have a B flat in my left hand, and in my right hand, I have D flat, E flat, G, C, and E flat. And also I'm rolling off the G flat to the G. And this chord is just C in my left hand, and E flat, A flat, excuse me, A flat, C, E flat. Right? So this is the last piece, it's the transition, so. Right? So in my right hand, I'm playing D flat, G flat, and B flat. And sometimes I may roll off the F to the G flat. Right? Second chord, C, F, A flat. Last chord is B flat, E flat, and G flat. So here's the timing. Got it? Right? So this is the part that takes us into section B. And that's going to be F, and that's going to be B. I'm just going to take that up a half step, right? And that takes us to the 4. Right? And that's going to be G flat and C. Right? So, right? So let's play the first section. Got it? All right. So section B is when we're rolling off the 4. So right? So basically it's built off of 2 chords. Got it? So here's the first chord. A flat, C, and F in my right hand. And then also, after that you play G flat, B flat, E flat. So, right? So there's that same tritone that we use to transition into section B, right? So there's gonna be F, B, and you take that up a half step, G flat, and C, right? So, same thing. Got it? All right. So let's play section A into section B. Right? So now this chord is over the flat 5. In my left hand I played E flat, G flat, A, C. In my right hand, E flat, G flat, A, C, E flat on top. So this chord is over the 5. And in my left hand, I played G, B flat, right hand, D flat, E flat, C, I'm sorry, G, C, E flat, right? So this chord is over the 6. In my left hand I have E, B flat, right hand I have E flat, A flat, C, E flat. So this chord is over the 2. And in this chord I played in my left hand E flat, an A, and D flat. Sometimes I may add a G flat. And in my right hand I have E flat, A flat, D flat. Or so here's that 5 chord again. Right, so let's play through that section.